You know, some of us like the rush of the crowds on Black Friday, but these days many of us just sit back and let the deals come to us online. Of course, that opens up some other questions about who's responsible when something doesn't show up exactly the way you planned. So we're talking all about consumer protection laws this morning and what you should know with Attorney Dave Beatrice. Good to see you. Happy belated Thanksgiving, by the way.
Happy Thanksgiving to you. I ate way too much yesterday. I had to turn my mic on.
That's okay.
My mic wasn't hot. They didn't yell in your ear, we're here.
But we're okay.
We're live and we're local, locked and loaded.
Exactly.
Ready to talk about, you ready? My unfavorite thing, shopping.
Yeah,
okay?
So what is the biggest thing that you think that people should know about, just about some of the protections they have in general or don't have, I guess?
So basically, we have this concept that's been brought over from English common law, and I'm going to use some Latin here. It's called caveat emptor.
Okay.
And caveat emptor means let the buyer beware. Now, we have a law called the Uniform Commercial Code, and that is a set of laws that Ohio has adopted that covers just about anything you buy. And they have it secured transactions, a lot of other things. You spend years in law school learning it, but anything you buy over $500 has to be in writing. That's the law. You buy something over $500, whether you buy it from a private individual or anyone else, better put it in writing or your rights aren't going to be protected. Technically, under the Uniform Commercial Code, when you buy something, that sale is final. So if you go into a store, people out there, and they have all sales are final, guess what? All sales are final. Most retailers, I want to say 98% of them, will allow a return policy. They don't have to do that. They do that as part of customer service.
Because they want you to come back.
Of course, they want you to come back. Now, when you're buying things online, you know how you buy things online and they go, well, here's our agreement, and you go, boom, 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 and then you hit accept? Okay. You better look at, just look for words like return or doesn't work. Everything you buy, whether it be electronic, something new, there's implied warranties. And so those implied warranties are going to kind of trump the Uniform Commercial Code. So if you buy something and it doesn't work, then they got to take it back because that's also in the Uniform Commercial Code. Two things I get asked about a lot, and here's what I want to tell people. These warranties. Nowadays, your electronic things are so inexpensive. Let's just be honest about it. And I never buy them because they'll always find a reason not to honor the warranty, and they're kind of expensive. Yeah. I mean, if you're buying something for the first year, you get natural warranties. I know a lot of people buy things, they're so excited they get home. Look in that paperwork. There are warranties. There are places you can call and register your piece of equipment for its warranty. And what they hope is just everyone's so excited they throw that stuff away. They never call in to the number, okay? And the other thing is, people out there, please, I've had so many clients get burnt on this, but it's the law. You buy those gift cards, man, there's a time limit on it. You better use it. Use it or lose it when you buy those gift cards. So many times you go out there and you go, oh, I don't know what to get Steve. I'm going to buy you the same thing I bought you last year in a different color, though. I don't know what to buy Steve. I'm going to buy him one of those gift cards, those Visa gift cards.
Yeah.
Better look on the back. You better read the fine print because, after 6 months, they start losing value. And pretty soon, they have no value. You got to look at all these things you're signing. But the most important thing I want to tell people, you're buying electronics, anything like that. In those things you buy, there's a number you could call to register that device to get extra warranties at no extra price. So I tell people to do that all the time.
There you go. You just
and have fun shopping.
Just got to pay attention and, like you said, not get so excited about it. Although we are all excited around here, he always brings the goodies, and we have the beauty shots
look at the Landmark. That's from the Landmark restaurant in Youngstown. That little cutout donut, I may have done that. But those cinnamon rolls, when he makes me bring them in fresh for Steve. They're warm when I bring them in. And I don't know what that thing is in the middle. It's some kind of a huge bear claw thing. Landmark in Youngstown, you want the best cinnamon rolls in the history of cinnamon rolls.
Really incredible.
They're really incredible. Everyone have a great time out there shopping this year.
And stay safe, please. Dave, good to see you as always. He'll be here for free legal advice on Monday, by the way.
Yes. So and quick other advice. No drinking and driving after holidays. Please, Uber, you don't need to do it.
Absolutely. Keep it here. We'll be back with more after the break.